Hello, my name is Jeff with BioRelief.com, and in this video we're going to address how to apply a male external catheter. Each male external comes in its own protective case, okay, and you will see here that it has a pull tab. We always suggest that if you have frail skin that we do use a skin barrier. And what a skin barrier is it's similar to a wet nap, and when applied to the skin, what it's going to do is create a layer of what we call fake skin. How that's done, after you make sure the penis is clean, you want to make sure you're clean with mild soap and water, nothing with moisturizers. And what you're going to do is apply the skin barrier just like that. You're going to let it dry for a few seconds. After about 4 or 5 seconds, apply another layer. You're going to do this about 3 times. And what that's going to do, it's going to create an invisible layer of skin, what we like to call fake skin. Okay? So when the catheter is applied, the adhesive is not actually adhering to the skin so much as it is the fake skin. It's especially helpful if someone has frail skin. To apply the catheter, you just place it on the head of the penis, okay? And using the pull tab, you just simply pull it towards the body, and the catheter pretty much applies itself. Make a fist around it and hold it for about 5 seconds. Okay, that's going to affirm you got a very good seal, and the catheter is not going to come off. Okay. With that skin there applied to it, and it's rolled all the way to the base, you want to roll it down as far as you can. That assumes a good seal. That concludes this video on how to apply a Convene Optima male external catheter. For more information on the Convene Optima, visit the link below or visit BioRelief.com. Thank you.